Ever struggled to find something in your fridge? We've all been there. But organizing your fridge isn't just about finding your food faster. It's about keeping your food fresh, making meal prep easier, and maximizing space. Stay tuned to discover 10 practical ideas for organizing your fridge effectively. Ready to transform your fridge? Let's start with the first 5 ideas. Idea 1 is zoning your fridge. Think of your fridge as a city, and each type of food as a neighborhood. Fruits, vegetables, dairy, meats, and beverages each get their own district. This not only makes finding what you need a breeze, but it also helps prevent cross-contamination of different foods. Next, idea 2, use clear containers. No more digging through the fridge to find that elusive jar of olives. Transparent containers let you see what's inside at a glance, perfect for storing leftovers, snacks, or even those little condiment packets that seem to multiply when you're not looking. For our third idea, we suggest utilizing drawer dividers. If your fridge has drawers, dividers are a godsend. They keep your produce separated, preventing overcrowding and keeping your fruits and veggies from getting squished. Moving on to idea 4, make it a habit to rotate items regularly. Practice the first in, first out rule to ensure older items get used before newer ones. Place newer groceries behind older ones to encourage rotation and prevent food waste. Finally, for idea 5, we recommend labeling everything. Mark containers, jars, and bags with the date they were opened or prepared. This helps you keep track of freshness and avoid any mystery food situations. With these 5 ideas, you're already halfway to a more organized fridge. Excited about the change? Here are the next 5 ideas. 6th on the list is adjusting shelves. Most fridge shelves are adjustable, so customize them to fit your needs. Create more space for tall items like bottles or adjust shelves to accommodate larger items like party trays. Next, we move to safely storing raw meat. Keep raw meat and poultry on the bottom shelf or in a designated meat drawer to prevent drips and cross-contamination with other foods. Use sealed containers or trays to contain any leaks. The 8th idea is all about keeping condiments together. Group similar items like sauces, dressings, and spreads in one area of the fridge, preferably on the door shelves where they're easily accessible. Number 9 is about creating a snack zone. Dedicate a shelf or drawer to snacks like cheese sticks, yogurt cups, or pre-cut fruits and veggies. This makes it convenient for family members to grab a quick snack without rummaging through the entire fridge. And finally, the 10th idea is regularly cleaning and decluttering. Take time to clean out your fridge regularly, discarding expired or spoiled items and wiping down shelves and drawers. This prevents odors and keeps your fridge looking neat and organized. These final tips will help you maintain your newly organized fridge. Remember, a well-organized fridge isn't just pleasing to the eye, it's a game changer for your daily routine. From zoning your fridge using clear containers and drawer dividers to rotating items regularly, labeling everything, adjusting shelves, and storing raw meat safely. Don't forget about grouping similar items, creating a snack zone, and of course, cleaning and decluttering regularly. All these ideas play a vital role in keeping your food fresher for longer, simplifying meal prep, and maximizing space. A little effort can go a long way in transforming your fridge from a jumbled mess into a well-oiled machine. Now you're ready to take control of your fridge. Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to organization.